How to set up email marketing and automations in Zenler. One of the biggest reasons creators switch to Zenler is the built-in email marketing system. You no longer need ConvertKit, MailChimp, or ActiveCampaign. What Zenler email includes. Zenler gives you broadcast emails, automated sequences, tagging and segmentation, trigger-based automations, funnel email flows, and contact management. Everything connects beautifully without Zapier because it's all in one system. Go to marketing, then emails to see the broadcasts for one-time messages. Automations for trigger-based workflows like in courses or in marketing funnels, and these can be sequenced by time or by enrollment date. This is your complete creator email engine. Creating your first automation. Before sending emails, configure your sender name, sender email, reply to email, and you can also use filtering to filter. Zenler walks you through email authentication for better deliverability, create a broadcast for announcements, new content, promotions, or newsletters. Inside the editor, add your subject line, preview text, write your email, choose your segment, and schedule or send immediately. You can see open rates, click rates, delivery stats, and segments. Building sequences and automation. Sequences send emails in timed order. Perfect for welcome sequences, lead magnet delivery, course onboarding, and sales sequences. Add your emails, set the delay, like send after 1 day or 1 minute. Add or remove tags and activate the sequence. Automations allow when a user does X, Zenler automatically does Y. For example, when someone downloads a lead magnet, adds a tag, enroll in a sequence, and sends a welcome email. You can use tag, sequences, enrollment, trigger-based, and branching logic. Integration and support. Connect email to your funnel and add sequences. Trigger automation, send reminders, deliver lead magnets, and follow up on sales. Use tags to organize your list by activity, purchase, course progress, and membership level. But Zenler already has pre-built-in filters, so you can filter people on a course, on a marketing funnel. You can filter them on so many things without even adding a tag in the first place. Track email analytics includes open rates, click rates, deliverability, and contact behavior. You get help from tutorial support docs, YouTube training, Facebook community, weekly live support desks, and of course our workshops we run. And because you will have started with the platform, you're going to get access to that 30-day accelerator course as well. And that's all courtesy of Zenler. You need to remember that the education side of Zenler is completely free to you. And it's even free to people not using the platform to come in. And we have many people coming in taking our marketing courses, even though they're not with Zenler. And we do this because we want information to be freely available for everybody to succeed. That is our mission statement number 1 from Zenler.